Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is Industrial Visit Report. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a trend in professional colleges that the professors of professional colleges, they take their students for industrial visit. They take their students to different industries and they want the students to observe that what is actually happening in those industries, learn something from there so that they can uplift themselves practically and professionally. So the entire purpose of industrial visit is the college authority wants the students to learn that what actual processes are happening in industry, how an industry is actually operating, what are different sections in that particular industry, and how those different sections are performing their individual activities and how they are working together in collaboration to accomplish the needs and requirements and goals of the organization. So this is the entire purpose of taking students to industrial visits. Now what happens after industrial visit? After industrial visit, the senior authorities of the college, they want their students to prepare a report that how was the experience of students in that particular industry where they visited. What they learned from there, what knowledge they gained from there, related to this, they have to prepare a report. And now the teachers and professors of the institution, they give a specific format for preparing that report. For example, there is preface where they have to tell that what is the basic purpose of writing this report. Then we have index where they mention different sections, that what sections they are mentioning in that particular report. And then we have preface, and then we have acknowledgement. In acknowledgement, we thank those people who organized this industrial visit and helped us to gain a good practical knowledge. So there, if I am a student, in acknowledgement section I will write, I will say thanks to my professors and the college authority, honorable director and principal of my department that they organized such a crucial industrial visit to upgrade my knowledge. And then we describe different sections that we visited in that particular industry. Now what happens, ladies and gentlemen, in most of the cases, what students do, they prepare their report exactly similar to each other. Now, if 15 to 16 students, they went in a group to a particular industry for industrial visit, when they came back to their institution, all of them prepared a similar type of report. One person prepared the report and rest everyone copied that report. Now that is not the right criteria and not the right way of preparing an industrial visit report. Ladies and gentlemen, industrial visit report must be prepared on individual basis. What an individual student saw in that particular industry, the report must be prepared according to that. What you individually saw in that industry. You visited a particular industry and then the representatives of that industry took you to different sections of that particular industry and they made you understand that how different sections are working, what specific devices and tools are getting used in the specific sections of that industry, and how those devices are actually creating innovation for that particular industry. What specific function those specific tools are performing to accomplish the goals of the organization. So you have to observe all the things independently and then you have to mention that what you independently analyzed about that industry. That is the right way of preparing the report. Copying the report from your classmates, that is not the right way of preparing the report. And if every report is similar, how the teachers and professors will come to know that what you actually learned from that industrial visit? If the report which students are preparing, that is absolutely similar to each other, how the professors of the institution will come to know that you were able to understand something by that industrial visit? Everyone has prepared the same type of report, everyone has drawn the same types of diagram, everyone has labeled the diagram exactly in the similar manner. That is not the right way of preparing the report, ladies and gentlemen. Your teachers and professors will automatically come to know that you have copied the report from your classmates, from your batchmates. So it is absolutely a waste of time that you visited a particular industry, you observed the technicalities of that industry, and when you came back to your college institution, what you did, you prepared the report in similar manner. All the reports were similar. Same content in same type of content in acknowledgement section, same type of content in preface section, same type of content and diagram in the overall report, same type of table of index. What's the meaning? It is wastage of time. Ladies and gentlemen, as far as the format is concerned and as far as preparing the index table is concerned, that is told to the students by the college authority that this is how you have to prepare the index, this is where you have to mention acknowledgement, this is where you have to mention preface. So that is the outer skeleton of the report which your teachers tell you that yes, this is how you should write, this is the place where you should mention acknowledgement, this is the place where you should mention preface, this is the place where you should mention the glossary of technical terms. So these are specific things which are told to the students so that they can understand that what is the basic structure of the report. Students take it in a different way and they start copying from each other. That is not the right way. Understand that what should be the headings of that report, the content that you are mentioning in that heading, that should be completely in your own words. And it should be according to the experience that you individually gained in that industrial visit. What you observed, what you think about that particular machinery which you saw in the industry, what you individually think about the procedures that were happening inside the industry. What was your own independent interaction with the representatives of the industry and what knowledge you gained by interacting with them individually? This is how you should prepare your report. Always prepare the report of industrial visit individually, ladies and gentlemen. Individually according to your own observation. That is the right way of preparing the report. So if students start preparing the report according to their own specific observation, the professors, they will try to analyze the mental setup, the mental makeup of every single student. That yes, this student has prepared the report in his own way. Let me see what he has observed. Or this particular girl has prepared the report in her own way. Let me see the entire report. Let me analyze what she has observed independently. And when your professors will check that the reports of every single individual is different from other person, they will exactly come to know that individual student has thoroughly analyzed all the aspect of the industry. They have individually understood, they individually observed the things, and depending on that they individually prepared their specific individual report, where they have mentioned their own specific individual observation of that industry. And this is the real hallmark of true industrial visit, ladies and gentlemen. So it is my humble request to all the college students who are involved in such type of activities like going to industry for industrial visit. Please prepare the industrial training report in your own words, according to your own observation. Only then your teachers will come to know thoroughly that what you exactly understood from that industrial visit. And this is the right way in which the industrial visit can help you grow professionally. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, Piyush Pandey, Trainer B.Tech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.